shall we say, everyone has a focus of attention. Everyone has a, shall we say, something that is valued above everything else. And as such, one puts aside other alternatives. And so attachment begins. Addiction, shall we say, is something that is, shall we say, of value that is placed outside of self. One is looking for something other than self to bring about one's peace of mind, one's happiness, and one's connection. So you are saying to yourself, this will make me happy. That is, I want a relationship with someone else. That will make me happy. I want a new car. That will make me happy. I want some solution to my endless mental distractions. I will need some wine. That will make me happy. You understand everything. My children will make me happy. You follow? But it is all outside of self. One does not look for happiness within. One cannot be, shall we say, addicted in the inner worlds. One is in alignment. One is connected already. One does not have to reach for something outside. So often human beings want to have the external fulfillment, not the internal, shall we say. Then we produce the religion, and the religion becomes an addiction, just as if it were the alcohol. It is every week I have to go, or every day or every hour I have to put my trust in an external, because I myself are not able to trust. You understand? You put your trust outside as if you can get it from there, but you cannot, because whatever you trust has to arrive back at self. Or you put your life on science. Facts will make me happy. Facts will tell me what is real, and then I can relax. Then I can find peace, because I can find a logic. I'm addicted to logic, as if that true will make me happy. But unfortunately, new facts override old facts, and I'm still looking for the ultimate answer to life. I want to find life in a cell, in a physical, shall we say, nervousness. I want to find the brain is the source of all things. Then I can be, shall we say, found to know the truth. Do you follow what I mean? Endless addictions looking for something outside. And yet all the answers are on the inside, because the outside is simply a mirror of the inside. Whatever you are looking for on the outside is because it is missing on the inside. You're looking for peace because you do not have peace. If you had peace, you would stop. If you had peace, you would express peace, and those around you would also feel that peace. As a result, they will do one of two things. Either they will run away from you as fast as they can because peace is madness. Only insane people are really peaceful. You understand? Or they will be attracted to you. But if you are peaceful, nobody can hold, shall we say, a diversity. Not be, shall we say, affected by it. Does this shed some light on the question?
Yeah, it does. So anything that we are looking to use externally for fulfillment or for peace or for happiness, be it religion or science or even illness or being around people or social media, obviously, complaining, negativity.
All sorts, everything, technology even. You understand who it is such a important one. Smoking with the cigarettes, drinking the alcohol, anything that will alter the mind. So you do not have to look at the truth. The truth is you cannot fill the emptiness with anything. You cannot fill it with food. You cannot fill it with the alcohol. You cannot fill it with affection. You cannot fill it with children. You cannot fill it. It is an important thing because truly, I want to say, peace arises with emptiness. Do you follow?
Yeah.
When you are empty completely, the mind stops its incessant expression. So addiction says it is something that is spoken. It is the mind dictating to you. It dictates, look for something outside. You will find what you are looking for. You will be fulfilled. Filled with fullness if you find something that is missing. But the outside is the projection of the missing. If you are comfortable on the inside, then the outside will mirror that back, even in the destruction that everyone is projecting, even in amongst the wars, even amongst everything, you will not be affected because it is irrelevant.
Thanks for watching. We hope this content resonates and with your help raises planetary awareness. If you're interested, join our database to receive exclusive access to full-length video content. Go to channelingmercredan.com/subscribe or click the link in this video's description.